and Human Rights Dialogue. Saïd Abdel Hafez Saïd, numéro 560, n'est pas en ligne. Mat for Peace Bassante Sam, 528, numéro 528. Mat for Peace, vous avez la parole.
Thank you, Honorable Chair, for giving me the floor. Thanks, Honorable Commissioner, for your report. As you have mentioned, Sudan has suffered the largest internal displacement crisis worldwide. Honorable Commissioner, Sudanese refugees in neighboring countries have suffered the severe suffering as refugees in eastern Chad face harsh conditions for 4 months due to the lack of water, food, medicine, and lack of health care for the elderly, children, and those with chronic diseases. In this context, March for Peace calls for the calls on the special reporter on refugees, asylum seekers, internally displaced persons, and migrants in Africa under the ACHPR Resolution 513 on the protection of internally displaced persons, camps, and sites from the attacks, to increase their involvement in the coordination with national actors in the management and protection of sites hosting IDPs in order to secure the sites and provide stability to those to the displaced populations. Thank you.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup, Ahmad for Peace. The Center for Citizens Participation